Hey guys, and welcome back to some more Tomb Raider. Whee! Hello? Done. I can do it! And climb! That will kill your ankles. Need to snap them. Get going. Can I look where I'm going? You're very shiny. And that doesn't sound very appealing.
God's got nothing to do with it. It's good to see you two, girl.
Sorry, they did a real number on your leg.
Well, no, looks worse than it is.
Have you heard from any of the others?
Nothing.
Wait, what are you doing?
The wolves took my food pack. The transmitter from the lifeboat's in it. If we don't get that back, we're not getting off this bloody island.
But you need bandages, morphine, antiseptic.
Yeah, also in the pack.
Yeah, Lara.
Exactly. Come here. Come on. Oh.
Oh no. No!
Oh, he did.
Oh, don't do this to me, you northern bastard.
Northern bastard.
Okay.
Probably northern people.
Okay. Thank God he's still alive.
Ah, fuck.
Wolf tracks.
Lara's a trucker now.
Oh God, what am I doing?
Well, couldn't you standing there in the pouring rain, not doing a lot?
The pack's up there somewhere.
Somewhere, possibly where the wolf is, maybe? Just an idea. Ooh, what's in there? Ah, no. Something like this. Statue. Ah, statue. You want some light? Light you up. So, what we got then? No clue what the fuck that was. Hi, Roth. Don't die on me, man. I'm gonna go for... and make some stuff out of bones. Does that make sense? Not enough iron. Oh, no. Enable faster fire rate. Fast fire rate. Yeah, a bit more, I can get increased damage. This one is 10 rounds. Give it more round. Actually, see. Got a bit more, I can do more damage there. Okay. Get that set out then. Ooh. I'm hunting me a damn woman. I'm hunting me a chicken. Apparently, hunting chicken is dangerous. Like you, anywhere else I can hunt? Okay, that's all I got so far. You gave me 3 salvage, Mr. Chicken, thank you. I mean fire, I can do that. And fire. On the other side of that gate now. Okay. Lantern. You don't need fire, will you? It's guarded, I can't. Oh! Chicken! Wang! Anything else? Oh, another chicken. Gonna be eating good tonight. Another fucking chicken. Are you, like, what the fuck is wrong with you guys? I'm killing you all, and yet you just keep coming out into the open. 4 chickens dead. Can we make it 5? We can make it 5, because another one came out. Shot on him. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? He's right next to me now. Oh, she is. I guess they're all hens. Oh my god. Oh! Wait. Oh, I did get it. Got you too, Crow. Right. Gonna be eating good tonight. 5 chickens and a crow. I can't tell, is there? I don't know. I can't tell if there's a fucking crow there. They blend into the scenery. Right. Hi, chicken. Dead chicken. My fucking god. There's a lot of hungry mouths to feed. I can feed anyway. Oh, that's what I was going to do. I was going to get fire. Fire, please. Now where do I need the fire? There it is. We light a fire. Your love is my only desire. What's up here? Really, I can't get up. Okay then. Right. If I wreck this... No, it doesn't get rid of the fire, okay. Just burn the floor.
This must have belonged to a US Marine. Were they on the island in force or just an advance party?
Who knows?
Do these marks represent friends lost or enemies killed? Either way, he needed a drink.
Lovely. Right.
These ruins. Kamakura period. Was all this
There's no fire on it. Oh, why are these statues everywhere? What do they mean? Do they mean anything? Ooh.
After a fortnight, I was at last granted an audience with Her Majesty, Himiko of Yamatai. I must confess, she is unlike any woman I have ever encountered. Beautiful, yet inscrutable, calculating even. She surrounds herself with her priestesses of the sun. No men attend her, save the general of her armies. When I met with her alone, I came to realize that she is not at all what she seems. I was sent by my lord to spy on her, to assess the strength of her armies. But now, I feel she is the one assessing me. My lord has perhaps underestimated the threat of Yamatai. Though I cannot gauge the true strength of her storm god, I cannot deny a powerful feeling that the Sun Queen should not be trifled with.
I see. Lovely. More salvage. Okay, okay. Moving under. Do I want to go down that way? I don't know. Spear. It's not an intelligent decision to climb with fire, but... Are you kidding me? I can't even... Yeah, there we go. Got some eggs. Can I get up there? No? Okay then. Fine. Fuck you. Ooh. Shiny. Oh hell, hello wolves. Nothing's going on here. Honest. Drop through that. Wait, I just want to slide off the roof. What the fuck? Right. That did not go perfectly, but it'll do. Okay. I know. Light my torch. Who knows when I might need it. Jesus Christ. Let's do it. Wow. Fuck you. That wasn't creepy at all. Small salvage. Got your salvage. Ooh, this is... Ooh, careful. Salvage. Right, we need a nice stone there. Ooh. What's that? Is that another statue of a light? Can't tell. That music's kind of eerie, I guess. More fire, please. Yeah. Fuck. Not really sure I want to go in there, to be fair. I'll just hang out here for a bit. Okay, I'll get this done. Fine. Fucking asshole. How did we manage to get lost in the den? Fight down here.
There goes.
No man, I can't. Hey. Fuck is
I just
shit.
want the pack. That's all. Got it.
Deer corpse?
Okay.
Nothing
Got
else
to get
in
this
here,
back to
right?
Roth.
Careful. Careful. Ooh, I certainly hit her me. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. And stab! You! Dumb mutt.
Oh, that was close.
Can I take the... Yeah, I can take the corpse. 10 from wolves, apparently. Carefully get out here. Just now I can't fight. Right. No. Safe. Right now. Come on out, bitches. Let's go. Ah, fun. Now I can investigate what's down here. There's nothing. Oh, now there's something glittering. It's a GPS cache. Oh, of course GPS cache. What else would it be? It's glittering. Nothing else in the river. Right, I guess we'll go take this back to Roth then.
Right.
Left.
Let's get you patched up.
He's alive!
Roth.
It's not bad. Where does a young lady like you learn to do a thing like that?
Late shift at the 9 Bells. Wolf's got nothing on a broken bottle.
Hey, nice work.
So I assume the plan is to take that up to the radio tower.
Well, it should give us the best shot of broadcasting a strong signal in every direction. Look, Lara, we need to send out that SOS. And I'm not climbing anytime soon.
Yeah, I was afraid you were going to say that.
You can do it, Lara. After all, you're a Croft.
I don't think I'm that kind of Croft.
Sure you are. You just don't know it yet.
Well, let's hope I'm a fast learner then.
Just be careful, Lara.
No, I was intending on going to get myself killed. That's pretty obvious, Roth.
You might want to give that axe a go on the rock wall over there first.
No. That's what you have to say, bitch.
What the hell is happening on this island, Roth? Who do you think these people are?
Violent fanatics, some kind of cult. But they're organized. They were ready for us.
I'm worried about Sam.
These people are insane, Lara. Don't dwell on what they're capable of. Just focus on the task at hand.
I can't believe Whitman just surrendered like that.
You never know what someone's gonna do in a situation like this. Though I wouldn't say the good doctor's reaction is a surprise.
Are you going to be okay here, Roth?
Don't worry about me. I have old friends to keep me company. Let's get up to that tower. We need to broadcast an SOS.
Why do none of you talk? Like, why do none of your mouths move when you're talking? It's pretty weird. Why is Lara the only one who does that? Why you no teach me how to talk without moving my lips?
Thank God for Roth's training. All those treks, all those climbs. It's as if he'd been preparing me for something like this all along. It's clear that there are people living here, and they're organized. They're killing and recruiting. Why? It's like some kind of cult. A cult of what? What do they want? What are they looking for?
I don't know, Lara. I really don't. Pistol or bow? Pistol bow, pistol bow, pistol bow. I use the bow more, so this makes the most sense. Alright, increased damage, faster fire rate. What difference is it actually? Yeah, put a little bit on my bow. Reinforce and maybe stronger damage. Or increased damage, stronger obviously. All same thing, but... Right. Let's go! Let's test out this axe.
I can climb this.
Can you climb it faster though? Okay. Objective. Over there. Okay, I'm gonna leave this episode here. If you enjoyed, make sure you leave it a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.